Bless those hands of yours, Mom. This breakfast is absolutely delicious.
Glad that you liked it, love. Mutlu, you should finish your breakfast first, son. Then you can play with your tablet.
All right, Mommy.
Where are you going, honey?
I'm gonna go train with Zuzu, Mom.
You're simply the best, my dear.
You've been in the highest spirits since you heard from Minnie and Manny.
That's exactly right, Mom. Things are getting back on track. See you later.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Uh-oh. What's wrong with this radio?
Oh, this is a very old radio. It's broken. I'll take care of it now, my love.
La la la! I have a pink planet medallion now. Okay, how about we see when Minnie and Manny are coming back? Let me ask. Is this the wrong button? The yellow button was the contact button. Aw, it doesn't work. Yesterday it was working perfectly. Maybe I should go somewhere higher. Nope, nothing.
Neşe, what are you doing up there?
Minnie and Manny gave me this medallion to contact them, but it's not working. Oh, what do I do?
You can try to contact them later. We gotta train first. You now have another chance to enter the tennis tournament. Did you forget that?
How could I forget that, Zuzu? I want to compete in that tournament so much.
All right then, so let's go train. Are you ready, Neşe?
I am, Zuzu.
Up,
Hop,
up,
hop,
up,
hop,
up.
hop. Oh, Mutlu, are you okay?
Now look, couldn't you find anywhere else to play tennis? Come on, Mutlu. You walked right into the game because you weren't looking.
What on earth is this sound? I think something happened.
Let's go take a look. Why is this not working now? I was playing with it 2 seconds ago.
What is going on around here?
I think the traffic lights must be broken. Even the ambulance can't move.
We should tell our moms and call for some help.
I'm with you, Neşe. Our moms will know what to do. Come on, hurry up.
Mommy? Daddy?
I am coming to you with a special report. There is still a power outage across the city, and even our satellite links are lost.
I don't quite understand this. What is really going on?
Mommy, my tablet isn't working.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day.